Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the lock so it can register reliably. Charge the internal battery or insert fresh cells until the LED shows adequate power. This prevents interruptions during enrollment. Once powered, hold the power button to wake the unit and enable Bluetooth on your phone if the lock pairs with an app. Make sure the fingerprint sensor and your hands are clean. This matters because oils and debris cause failed scans. Now you're ready to begin the first fingerprint enrollment step. You'll now register fingerprints carefully because quality determines future reliability. Enter enrollment mode, long press the front button or open the app and select Add Admin, then place your finger on the sensor repeatedly. Vary angle and pressure so the sensor builds a complete template. Once the admin finger is stored, add 2 to 4 backup fingers and set a numeric fallback PIN. This gives access if the sensor fails or your finger is injured. Make sure each registration confirms success before moving on. You finish by validating and securing the installation. Test each registered finger and the fallback PIN multiple times in different lighting and temperature conditions to confirm consistent performance. Mount the lock so the shackle or latch aligns smoothly, avoiding stress during locking. If your model has app-based firmware updates, install them now to improve sensor accuracy. If you hit a persistent read failure, the key troubleshooting tip is to clean the sensor with isopropyl alcohol and re-enroll fingerprints. This fixes most recognition problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.